Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by verifying essential access. Confirm your company ID, user role, and tenant URL so the app presents the correct modules. Once installed, open the app and allow the permissions it requests: camera for scanning, storage for attachments, location for geotagging. Make sure you're on corporate VPN or a secured network, otherwise some services will not load. By doing this up front, you avoid mid-process permission errors and ensure the app syncs to the right environment immediately. You log in using SSO or your credentials and select the business unit so records route correctly. Next, open the relevant module, for example HR or maintenance, and either create a new record or pull an existing one. Use the inline form fields and follow validation hints. Attach supporting documents or photos, then save as a draft if you need a pause. Once complete, submit to push the record into the approval flow and generate notifications for downstream users. This ensures traceability. You finish by confirming submission status and checking the audit trail to ensure approvals recorded correctly. Export the final PDF if required. If you worked offline, manually sync changes and verify attachments uploaded successfully. When a mismatch appears, clear the app cache and re-authenticate, then resync. This often resolves stale data. If problems persist, check your role permissions, network connectivity, and server status. Make sure to capture app logs and screenshots before contacting support so they can reproduce and resolve the issue quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.